By the end of this video, you will know exactly what you need to do to work towards your first pull-up, even if you can't get your chin over the bar today. We will discuss the different muscles being worked in the pull-up and give you a few great variations to work towards that first pull-up that I know you can get. I would highly recommend to watch this video all the way through, as this will almost guarantee that you will get your first pull-up. Thanks for joining me. Let's jump right in.
Let's look at some of the prime movers before we look at the exercises. The first prime mover is going to be the biceps brachii. The biceps brachii is incredibly important because it helps to flex or bend the elbow numerous times. In addition to the biceps brachii, we also have our latissimus dorsi, otherwise known as lats. The latissimus dorsi helps to bring your arms from up overhead down to the side. So this is also known as extending the shoulder joint. These muscle groups combined together can help us get our first pull-ups. I do want to also note that all the equipment we're going to be using in the video will be listed down in the description so you can purchase. The first exercise I want to look at is our ring row holds. This is a great isometric exercise that basically everyone of all abilities should be able to do, and it will really build some good body weight strength, which will be able to translate directly into doing full pull-ups with time. I really like starting with this exercise before going on to the ring row holds. Ring row holds is exactly the same as the last exercise, but instead of holding the position, which is a little bit easier, you will do full ring row repetitions. Make sure you are allowing your arms to get fully straight at the bottom and then also get nice and bent at the top. So we're working our full range of motion, trying to build that full range of body weight strength. Once you get the hang of this exercise and can do 3 sets of 10, try moving on to some lat pull downs. This is a great exercise to work your shoulder girdle and strengthen all the muscles in the same plane of motion that you will be doing when we are actually working a full pull-up position. I really like this exercise too because basically anyone of all abilities can do it, just like those ring row holds. It's a great starting point. Try to get a band that allows you to do 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions before going on to a pull-up hold. Now the pull-up hold is great because it starts the framework of actually building some good pull-up strength. And you might be thinking to me, Logan, how in the world is this going to help? Well, you're building isometric strength in all the muscles that we use during the pull-up by just simply doing this hold. It's very similar to doing the ring row holds we did earlier. And of course, once you build enough strength to do about 30 seconds, I'd recommend doing some pull-up lowers. You're going to start up in that same hold position, but instead of actually just holding the position, you are going to lower yourself down. Basically, we are forcing your body to do the eccentric movement nice and controlled, which can build some good overall strength to allow you to do full pull-ups with time. Of course, really try to slowly lower on that descent. I usually tell people when doing these lowers, try to make it about 3 or so seconds. And of course, once you get the hang of that, another great option is doing some boosted pull-ups. Boosted pull-ups is simply a way to either have somebody near you, kind of giving you a boost from behind, or as I'm demonstrating in the video, you can also grab a stool or a small bench to kind of push yourself up while pulling your arms. So the key with this is to still pull as hard as you can with your arms. Banded pull-ups are another great exercise. Of course, you're going to have to get into the band. I usually like just putting my knee in it as demonstrated in the video. And then that band, it's actually going to allow you to get quite a few good assisted pull-ups. After you've built all the strength and framework with the previous ones, this one should be pretty manageable to do. And as you notice, we're starting to get all the way to those full pull-ups. We're looking very similar. So kind of build some strength with this exercise. And then the final one before our full pull-ups is doing some chin-ups. Chin-ups will have you in a supinated grip, which basically means that your hands are going to be facing you at the bar, and then you are going to be pulling yourself up like a normal pull-up. Chin-ups are a little bit easier than normal pull-ups, which is why I kind of have them as a regression before doing full pull-ups. Of course, with time, we want to try to get those hands facing away from the bar, but when you're first starting out, this is a good place to start. Thanks for watching. Like the video if it helps. Subscribe to the channel for more videos helping you in the gym and get healthier in life. Also check the video in the pinned comment showing you how to do multiple push-ups if you can't even do one today.
Tell me you know no good. I'm brushing